What the hell? What the hell? What the hell?
Stop.
What the hell?
My f***ing dog honks the horn at me when I take too long. I really wish everyone...
Jenny! Stop it! No!
Yo, Pudgy, how you feel about people saying you sound like Yoshi?
Me miro y la miré. Sonrío y le sonreí.
Is it cold out there?
Dave? Leon, come
Oh, Jesus. Get back inside. Oh my God.
Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, no.
What's your dinner? Hungry?
Oh, look how nice. Snow. Seems pretty cool at first, until you want to go outside and snow. You want to take a walk? Snow. You want to have lunch? Snow. You want to go for a drive? Snow. You want to go work out? Snow. Date? Snow. Did someone hide my stuff? Snow.
What are you doing? Say wee. Let's go wee.
Does your dog have normal eyes, or does your dog have strangely human eyes that make you think he's trapped the soul of a human person inside of his...
And we get a lot of looks when we take her for walks, and people ask a lot of questions because she's really cute.
My dog has eyebrows.